Hey everyone, Peter here from the Kostecki Real Estate Group. And today we're in Stanley Park showcasing this beautiful mid-century modern gem. Welcome to this captivating open concept home boasting a gorgeous mid-century modern design enhanced by over $200,000 of quality renovations. With just under 2,400 square feet of living space above grade, this home offers 3 well-appointed bedrooms, a second-floor family room, and a private backyard retreat. You'll discover a remarkable sense of seclusion, providing the perfect escape from the fast-paced demands of everyday life. So if you're ready, let's check out this beautiful home. Number 8, Park Views. The standout feature of this home is its prime location, directly facing the picturesque Stanley Park Conservation Area. It will provide you with captivating green space views all year long. Bask in the sunlight on your front patio overlooking the park, the perfect spot to relax, unwind, and embrace the beauty of nature. Number 7, carpet-free main floor. Discover the remarkable design of this custom mid-century modern home. The open and airy layout creates a sense of spaciousness enhanced by the abundance of expansive windows which perfectly frame the scenic park views. Complementing the design of this home, you'll find porcelain tile, oak hardwood flooring, and flat ceilings throughout. The main floor features a cozy living room which overlooks your backyard retreat, making it the perfect space for relaxation and time with the family. This home also offers a convenient powder room and a bedroom on the main floor which could double as an office. Number 6, main floor laundry. This convenience will make laundry day a breeze. You could also convert this into an ensuite for the main floor bedroom. Number 5, eat-in kitchen. You'll fall in love with this bright custom kitchen. The kitchen boasts a stunning walnut design with ample storage space, complemented by stainless steel appliances, including a Wolf gas stove and oven. A large skylight fills the kitchen with natural light, and you have plenty of built-in cabinetry to keep things organized. The functional island features a beautiful butcher block countertop, and you have a separate breakfast bar providing an ideal space to savor your morning coffee. In the formal dining room, you'll find a custom 10-foot built-in glass dining table that adds a touch of elegance and sophistication for your dining experience. The dinette provides picturesque views of the backyard and offers a convenient walkout. Number 4, backyard retreat. Immerse yourself in the peacefulness of this fully fenced backyard where you can relax and enjoy life to the fullest. You have a beautiful interlock stone patio where you can soak up the sun or host summertime barbecues. The meticulously crafted landscaping and mature trees add a touch of natural beauty and privacy. With ample room for the kids to play and your pets to roam freely, this backyard offers a safe and enjoyable space for everyone. Number 3, second floor family room. The heart of this remarkable home lies in its captivating second floor family room. Here you'll be greeted by hardwood flooring and floor-to-ceiling windows that offer stunning park views and fill the space with natural light. Relax and unwind by the updated gas fireplace, grab your favorite book from the custom built-in bookshelves, or simply bask in the soaring vaulted 13-foot ceilings, which create an atmosphere of grandeur and sophistication. Number 2, bedrooms and bath. As you ascend the staircase, you'll discover 2 bright and spacious bedrooms. The master suite impresses with its generous built-in storage, providing ample room to help keep your wardrobe organized. Additionally, the main 4-piece bathroom awaits, boasting a luxurious clawfoot soaker tub and a convenient stand-up shower. Number 1, location. Nestled in the serene and family-friendly Stanley Park neighborhood, this home offers the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience. With its close proximity to schools, parks, and public transit, it provides an ideal setting for families. Explore the nearby Stanley Park Conservation Area, shop at the Stanley Park Mall, and enjoy convenient access to the Expressway and Highway 401. Thanks for joining me today. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow me on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you on the next one.